That's something to look forward to. Bronco got hit, quarter the door, and then this fender. Do a color match, proper body work, make it look like it's supposed to. Wow, this thing is sweet. Mr. Lou's gonna be working on it. He already started on this side. This side was just completely cracked, so he's gonna fix the fiberglass, make it look like glass. Wow, this thing is a monster. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick reel of the Bronco repairs we did and paint. Came out nice, beautiful, it's back on the road. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you don't miss any new videos. This is going to be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one.